This is a remote learning initiative by St. Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East, Maharashtra, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Today's session for Junior KG. Subject Maths. Topic Addition. Name of the teacher Rakhi Gupta. Children, today we will do addition. This is our worksheet for addition. Here it is written add and write. Add and write. So, what we will do? We will add the numbers. Here we can see some cookies are there. We have to count all the cookies together and we'll write inside the boxes. See the red box you can see. So we have to count all the cookies and the number we will match with the cookies and then we will write inside the box. Here it is written 6 plus 2. So we can see cookies are there. Some cookies are there. So let's count how many cookies are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cookies are there. And plus down 1, 2. 2 cookies are there. So 6 plus 2 we have to write what? So what we will do? We will count all the cookies together and then we will find the answer. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 altogether become 8. So inside the box we will write 8. Same way we will do it here also. Here it is 4 plus 2 is what? So we will count all the cookies together. We will find the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we will write inside the box number 6. The next one we'll see 2 plus 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So now let's add the another one. Here it is 3 plus 7. So we will count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. We'll write here 1, 0, 10. The next one 3 plus 1. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we will write 4 here. The next 2 plus 5 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Altogether we have to write. Here it is 1 cookies. And here it is number 7. So let's count how many cookies are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So we will write here number 8. So now let's see the another one. 1 plus 1. Oh, let's see, here it is 1 and another one is also 1. So let's count all together. 1, 2. So here we will write number 2. The next one, here it is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will write here number 3. So this way we will do addition. Now let's turn the page. See, here we can see some apples and numbers also. So we have to count all the apples together and then we will write inside this apple box. Okay, so here the number is 3 plus 3. So let's count. Here it is 3 apples and 3 more apples. So we have to count all the apples together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples are there. So we will write here 6 apples. Now the next one is 2 plus 2 is what? Here 2 apples and another 2 apples. So let's count all together. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. So we will write here 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Let's see the another one. 6 plus 4 is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples. So we will write here number 10. Now next one is 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples all together. So we will write here number 8. So this way we will complete our worksheet. Here you all do practice at home. You have to count the dots and write inside the boxes. Okay? So children, do practice at home regularly. Happy learning.